Here's the next part of my top 10 tips for prop trading success, and if you haven't seen the first ones, you can check them out right here. But for now, here comes some more tips. Number 4 is stock selection. Not all stocks are created equal, so you need to find yourself a niche. The Nasdaq alone has 3,300 stocks in it, so which one of those are you going to trade? Or are you going to trade the Magnificent 7 stocks? Or are you going to be a mid-cap trader, small-cap trader? Find yourself that niche. You can utilize scanners for this. If you're a small-cap trader, you want to find the best small caps for that day where the volume is. You want liquidity, so you don't want to be trading without any liquidity. And you want to be looking for those stocks and doing a little bit of analysis of your own. Just because a stock is on the biggest gainers list or it's a gap up stock on the day does not mean it's going to continue in that direction. So your strategy should align with this, but stock selection is key. Use the scanners where you can. They're available on the Trade the Form platform and they should help you out as well. Pre-market. Please don't ignore your pre-market analysis. It should be aligned with your stock selection criteria, and then take a look at the pre-market analysis. You have news coming out on these stocks before the market opens. You have institutional early positioning before the market opens. You will be able to see liquidity and volume coming into these stocks that are on your selection. And you need to take a look and assess if they're still tradable by the time you get to the open. Now, you can trade pre-market as well. You have to be careful because you can't market order in. You have to place a limit order in, which means if you want to buy that stock, you have to put it at a lower price so that that price comes down and takes you into the trade. You can't just jump in, so be aware of that. But your analysis of pre-market is key to what could happen at the open. You may see a stock on the gappers list, but when it gets to the open, it could have gone up 100% and dropped 100% and be sitting where it started yesterday. That may not be good for you as a long trade on that day. So get up early and do your pre-market analysis. I promise you it will help you. Number 6 is indices. Use the index your stock is listed on to determine whether or not you have a high probability setup, because it can give you an edge. For example, you've identified that Tesla is in play for you today and you're looking to long Tesla. Tesla is listed on the Nasdaq. So go and have a look at the QQQs. If you have a look at the QQQs and at the time you're looking to execute your long trade, if the Qs are tanking down, you're not in a high probability setup because you're literally trading against the benchmark of the index. So what you want to do is align your play with the direction of the index, and that will give you edge. That will give you a higher probability outcome of a successful trade.